Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So as promised, we are going to do another uncarding video. So before that, I just bought some interesting cards here in USA. It is this X34 land speeder. Star Wars fans will like this. I mean, I bought this for one of my common friend, but I'll be getting one for me. It's a nice one. And this is for my friend Sam Mazda. He's building a house using Kaido cars and boxes. You should see how crazy he is. And this is again for Anto Bro, Mazda MX-5. And this one is nice. I think I should get this one for me also. This is cool. So for today, I decided I will got this one, Porsche 904 Carrera. Just look at it. It's lovely, isn't it? Okay, this is something I didn't notice. Is it like a symbol or something here? Number 63. I think this is the third Porsche. P44. So P in the sense it will be like let's see. I mean, like which this one? This code is the base code for this one is so yeah, last year card 2024 and the year month is 44. Okay, let's do the carding. Wow, look at this. Check it out, guys. This is good. This is nice. Actually, the color is also good. I wish I could get the black one of this one. Or add some detailing over here. I mean, this is good for the detailing for this budget. What do you guys think of this one? Apart from this, I have two more cars. One is this Nissan Skyline Black. And then Humvee. Yes. Sorry. This one will definitely look damn great in black. Oh wow, okay. This is something you notice now. So we can tow it with another vehicle, and we can tow that. Then it's time to search for one more vehicle that can connect to this. So guys, I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye from Kumar. And yeah, more videos are coming soon.